I'm in coaching center. Today I'm going to explain your 10th standard science 15 chapter environment videos part 2 videos. So last video I explained about food chain, food web and the source flow of energy. So let's come to the 1 minute. So here you can see the food. So flow of energy. So first sunlight energy is gone to producer, or we can call it as producer, or we can call it as the plants, and the plants are eaten by herbivores, and herbivores are eaten by the primary carnivores, and carnivores are eaten by the more carnivorous animals. So this is about flow of energy. This is about flow of energy that I said, no, that 10% will be there and it will be going decrease on. So in diagram they are showing like this. So that only they are showing in diagram. This is only the same thing, only they are showing in diagram. So as you know, they put the chemicals, pesticides to plants, as you know. So wait, I will say what is this, why I am saying this. So when the rain comes, the pesticides goes with rain and joins water, and joins water, and it pollutes the fish and fish, water and other organisms it pollutes. As you know, when it goes and it pollutes other organisms, so that food that is eaten by other animals, that fish is eaten by other animals, or fish is eaten by, or fish or shark, anything is eaten, it is eaten by humans. And that pesticides is chemical only, no. So that chemical joins to our body, and that chemical that joins to our body, this is called as biological magnification. Magnification. So the chemical that joins to our body is called as biological magnification, also we can say in short form. Next, after this, let's know about ozone layer and how it is depleting depleted how it is depleted. Let's see about that. Ozone layer molecular formula. So there is molecular formula for ozone layer that you have to know. Ozone layer molecular formula is O3. They may ask this for 1 marks. Is O3. You have to put it downside. I am downside. So wait 1 minute. I will put it downside. I will put it 3. So you have to put this in downside. O3, its formula, it has ozone layer, it has 3 oxygen molecules. So by 3 oxygen molecules that layer is formed, and it protects us from UV rays. As you know, ultraviolet rays, it protects us. So this UV rays causes cancer. UV ray causes cancer, itching, skin problems, and other things it causes. Oxygen for ozone layer is O2 oxygen plus another one oxygen gives you, or I can put here equals, produce. I don't have that symbol here, so I am putting it equals. So O2 gives you O3. So it should be not put it up, it should be in the down, so I am putting the big words. There was decrease in ozone layer. There was decrease in ozone layer in 1980. It was decreased. So this was due to chlorofluorocarbon. As you learnt about chlorofluorocarbon. As you maybe learnt about this, it is called as CFC. It is also called as. So as you maybe have learnt about this. So chlorofluorocarbon. So they are harming the ozone layer. They are harming. So they are thinking. To make CFC free refrigerator. So these are produced in refrigerator. CFC free refrigerator. So these is used in refrigerator and fire extinguisher. Refrigerator and fire extinguisher. As you know, fire extinguisher we are not using more, but fridge we are using more. So they are planning to make CFC free refrigerator. Next last topic is managing the garbage we produce. As you know, so the garbage, the biodegradable garbage does not harms the environment, but the non-biodegradable garbage harms the environment. Like coal or plastic bottles or anything plastic products. Also we can say plastic products. If we throw it in ground, it does not decomposes. Decomposes for 100 years also. It does not decomposes. But one thing is there for that we can melt it. So this thing we can do to manage the garbage that we produce. And let's come to the differentiate of biodegradable and biodegradable. So the garbage or the things that are degradable the things that are degradable in the soil is called as biodegradable, like the waste of the fruits or waste materials of the waste material or leaves of the fruits, vegetables, that we can biodegradable. But the things like plastic bottles or some other bottles and bags, like plastic bags, that we cannot degradable. So biodegradable. So the things that are degradable in soil, they are called as biodegradable. For example, peel of vegetables and fruits. If we peel the vegetables and fruits that we can, if we throw means of vegetable and fruits that we can degradable. The non-biodegradable things or degradable things or the things that are not the things that are not degradable, degradable, the things that are not degradable, not biodegradable in soil, the things that are not biodegradable in the soil, that does not degradable in the soil, that is called as non-biodegradable. So they may ask this differentiation for 1 or 2 marks. Biodegradable table. So for this example, like plastic cover, plastic bottles, many things are there, and this causes harms to environment. If they ask for 2 marks, you can write this. And the biodegradable, this does not causes harm to environment. Like this, if they ask for 2 marks, you can write. So this was your chapter, the environment chapter. I have explained about food chain, food web, and the source of flow of energy, that 10% the flow of energy that I said in primary, secondary. And I have explained about biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and ozone layer, and the formula of ozone layer, and by CFC it is polluting, and that's all I explained about the environment chapter, and that's all was in your chapter. So I think I have explained all the topics. So if you have doubt, put it on comment, like the video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel and coaching center for more videos. Okay friends, bye, see you, take care. Meet in the next video by explaining next chapter. Till then, take care and have a nice day friends. Bye friends.